true leader has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make the tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others. The very essence of leadership is that you have to have a vision. It's not to be a vision you articulate clearly and forcefully on every occasion. Siddha is the chosen one for this year to lead the way. Presenting before you the 25th President of the Rotary Club of Panji Midtown for the year 22-23, Siddha Sardesai.
I'm indeed honored to be given this opportunity, and you have my sincere assurance that I will be dedicated to the cause of Rotary as President in the same way as I have shown my commitment over the past few years. When I joined Rotary some 18 years ago, never in my wildest dreams did I think that I would be standing here today as your President. Some things never change. I am still that enthusiastic kid, certainly not so fit, and I arrive here today having hit the ground running and ready for anything. Today, as I stand here as the President of the Rotary Club of Panji Midtown in its Silver Jubilee year, with humility and great sense of responsibility and expectation, I promise to do my very best to discharge my duties and fulfill the trust reposed in me and to take our legacy forward. I congratulate our immediate past President, Rotarian Sunil Mone, for his board for a commendable and a successful year. It's no secret that Sunil and Sanjeev for the entire year have put their heart, soul and hard work into projects pushing our club further.
अब आप लोगों के लिए एक सवाल है, and this is for you, the spouses and your children. Please ask them this question. ये जो बड़े-बड़े देश है ना, अमीर देश, अभी तो हम और G7 की मीटिंग से आ रहे हैं, जर्मनी में. किसने इनको विकसित, develop किया है? Was it fellows who came from the moon, people who came from the Mars, people who came out of water, या उनके अपने लोग? जवाब कौन सा है? अपने लोग? तो हम लोगों को क्या तकलीफ है? Think about it. It's not just a question. It's something that stimulates all of us, stimulates me every day to think.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.